Hi, so today I'm going to share with you a little quick win along my way of decluttering my bathroom. Kind of came across the thought of worrying that I might be a bit of a hoarder around the house and some things. And it's kind of I'll never be a minimalist, but I don't want to be a hoarder. And I kind of had to think about my stockpiles, which is kind of the scarcity mindset and being smart, buying stuff on sale. You know, there's so many different things that you think about and you plan for or you worry about, and it can have good effects on your finances or bad, and it can have good effects or bad on your house and management of your time and your household clutter. So my big win for today is I cleaned out one of my cupboards, and I am giving away 2 shopping bags of product to family members. That the product is still good, but I know I'm not going to use it before, over the next 5 years. I'm probably going to need just a tiny bit. And so I've given away about 3/4 of what I have in my stockpile, because I'm probably not even going to use up the 1/4 that I have. So it's items that won't go bad. I'll feel prepared when visitors come by, and I'll feel like I still have enough. I think I'm going to have to do a video on stockpiles and some of those thoughts and what's a useful stockpile and what isn't. And so here's a space that I cleared out and emptied, and it's just decluttered and now filled up with its new purpose. And so I still have to actually technically scrub it and clean it, but here is a change that I have made. So I obviously still have to scrub it, and some of that is paint splatter from the people before me when they painted, so I have to figure out how to get that clean. And of course I'm thinking, I should fix that door so it's nice and even. So there's a couple things, and there's some dusting, and there's some dirt in the bottom. But in this cupboard I had a whole bunch of products that probably had it half full in here. And now I have my basket for my towels and washcloths that have been used, that are dry but ready to go to laundry. And then I have my little bath mat that I don't use all the time. And I have some little duckies for when the kids are over playing in the tub. So obviously I still have to scrub this. And that's my spring cleaning scrubbing. But I have emptied out the space and then refilled it with something that's going to work for me in a nice way. Now I have this corner in my hallway beside my bathroom is totally clean and empty. I don't have to worry about feeling like people are seeing my dirty laundry. Oh! And I'm still going to remember it because it's in the bathroom. I'm still going to use it. I'm still going to follow through. Wasn't sure if I wanted to put it in the bottom of my closet, but then that would have to be rearranged, so maybe that should go into that cupboard. I don't know yet, but I'm going to see how this works out. So some of these just small changes can make life a whole lot easier. And I think that is my goal in life, is just to make life a lot easier and make my daily tasks and habits a lot simpler, to keep things under control and manage life, to make those daily habits a lot easier and more of a part of just normal everyday instead of a big event of cleaning. So happy Saturday, happy Just Day. Hope you get your shit together. I gotta go off and do stuff I don't really want to right now, but it's gotta get done. So time to get to work.